Okay, so I'm about to load test this new 48 volt battery pack that I've built using 100 amp hour cells from Leon. I've just fired up the old 48 volt DC to AC inverter. The load is going to be this 2400 watt heater, and just as well because it's freezing cold in Perth today, it's bucketing with rain and hailing. But you can see the quiescent current of the inverter is sitting at about 1.25 amps or thereabouts. I've checked the cell voltages of all of these. Obviously there's no BMS on this, but I'm going to be watching it like a hawk. I've written down all of the cell voltages at rest. We've got one cell at the top, which is a little bit on the self-dischargey side, but I guess we'll see when we check it in detail. So I'm going to load this up and time how long we can run 2400 watts worth of heater and see how long it lasts.